Hey digital art students, I'm going to give you an exact walkthrough on this recipe project so that more of us can get it in before the due date, which is this Thursday at 4 o'clock. That is the hard due date on this project. So here's how you get to it. Go to your class that you have. You're going to open up right here your recipe book, or you can go to classwork up here and find it, homemade recipe book. All right, so I'll view assignment. Then here's my assignment. Here's the instructions. Now, this is what I haven't seen a lot of students doing. Check out up here. See this little thing? This is your recipe. This is the one that you're going to work on. It's already made for you. So I'm going to click into here, and the next thing I'm going to do in my recipe template is add my information to it. So that's the first step. I'm going to do that right now. Just give me a second. All right, now I have the recipe typed in. I've got my title, description, ingredients, recipe instruction, the photo, and the review. And the next step that I want for this project for students to do is to design it out a little bit, so give it some flair. You could start by adding a background image into it. You can change the font, change the colors of the backgrounds. You can try some different things with the photo and moving it around in different areas and changing the size of things. There's a lot of different things that you can try out with your recipe to get it all on one page. Now I'll show you a little design as I work through this. And here's the final recipe. Now, obviously, I sped that up quite a bit while I was working, but I did some things like changing the font, adding a background, added a PNG image like we did in class, added my photo and cropped it and sized it, did some background color on some of the type and font changes. So what I would like you to do during this week while you're working on this is, if you have any questions on how to do any of these things, which I explain in our Zoom meetings, then just contact me. The easiest way to do that is to go up into Google Hangouts, type in hangouts.google.com, and it'll lead you right to it, and just enter my name, Jacob Olson, and I'll come up right there, start a conversation, and just ask me a question. And I'll respond right back to you, okay? So that's the easiest way to get help on any of the projects that we're doing or any of the technical stuff on Google Slides. I'm available every day from 9 until 3 o'clock, so you can always just contact me and ask me questions that way. You guys have a great start to your week, and let's get these projects done by Thursday at 4 o'clock. See ya.